data-driven decisions. That's data, man. Analytics. I have analytics. I know exactly where everyone is coming from when they visit my website, and I know where they're going. Oh, let me show you one more thing. This is so cool. Let's go to behavior overview. Where do people go when they land on my website? They go to my homepage, and they also go to services and fees. That's fantastic. So they land on my webpage. They're like, oh, home inspector. How much do they cost? What do they do? How much does it cost? They also go to my qualifications, not so much my sample report or my blog or anything like that. And where do they go after services and fees? They go to my qualifications. So they figure out, okay, he does home inspections. It's $500. Why is he qualified? And he goes to qualified, right? So this is pretty cool. I know exactly how people behave when they land on my website. If they land on your homepage and leave, that's called a bounce. And if your bounce rate is really high, you want to be told that by your website design company, or you just want to monitor it. You log in like I am. I'm checking it out. Don't put any fancy homes, but don't put any really expensive, modern, fancy homes on your homepage, right? That's not what they're looking for. They're looking for you. You put you on your homepage above the fold, a hero picture standing there, right? Okay.